You will need 250 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of granulated or caster sugar, 25 grams of cocoa powder, 300 milliliters water or milk alternative, 75 grams of sunflower or vegetable oil, 1 medium egg and 25 grams of dairy-free chocolate chips. In a large mixing bowl, stir all the dry ingredients together. This includes the dairy-free chocolate chips. I didn't realise I didn't have any until after I started baking, so chose to continue without them. If you are baking for a lactose intolerant person, like I am here for my husband, make sure it is cocoa powder you are using and not standard hot chocolate powder, as that can contain milk. In another mixing bowl, whisk the wet ingredients together. I use water for my muffins, as that's the cheapest and easiest thing I had to hand. But to add more flavour to your muffins, you can use almond or soya milk too. Make a well in the centre of the dry mix, then, while constantly stirring, slowly pour in the wet mixture. Keep stirring gently so not to overmix the batter until you have a lumpy yet mixed batter. Fill a whole cupcake tin with cases, then pour the mixture in. I find that using a quarter measuring cup is perfect for this job. Bake in a preheated 180 degrees Celsius oven for around 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once ready, leave on the side to cool. Store in an airtight container and consume within a few days for freshness. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.